Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the basics of C language. So, first of all, let me introduce you to the C character set. So character is any alphabet, that is small alphabets or big capital letters or special symbols used to represent information. Alphabets, digits and special symbols together can form constant or keyword or variables. Constant is a fixed quantity, variable is a quantity which can change, and keywords are the reserved words. So first of all, we'll learn about C constants. So C constants are of two types, primary constant and secondary constant. We'll learn about the secondary constant later on. So primary constants are of three types, that is integer constant, real constant and character constant. So there are some rules for constructing integer constant. An integer constant must have at least one digit, must not have a decimal. It should not contain any decimal. It can be either positive or negative, and no commas or blanks should be in between them. The range of integer constant is -32768 to 32767. So examples of integer constant are these, that is 426 plus 782 minus 8000 minus 7605. I hope you are clear up to now. So now rules for constructing real constant. A real constant must have at least one digit, same as the above. Must have a decimal. It should contain a decimal, like this 325.34, 426.0, minus 32.76, minus 48.5792, and other rules are it should be either positive or negative and no commas or blanks in between. The main difference is that the real constant contains decimal point and the integer constant must not have a decimal. So now rules for constructing character constants. It can be a single alphabet, a single digit, a single special symbol enclosed in inverted commas. It should be enclosed within inverted commas, and it should contain only one digit. Examples are these, that is A15 equals to, and they are all enclosed in inverted commas. So now C variables. These are the quantities which can vary. So the rules for variable names, it can be of 1 to 31 alphabets, digits or underscore, and the first character should be alphabet or underscore. Examples are base sal, that is short form for basic salary, code, year, etc. We can use it in the coding like int sim underscore hra, float, base sal, char code. These are the variables sim underscore hra, base sal, code, this code. So I hope you are clear up to now. And now the last one, that is C keywords, which are the reserved words, that is break, case, int, long, else, if, double, float, do, while, char, etc. These are the predefined words in the C programming. So friends, see you in the next tutorial. So thank you guys. Bye.